completely done. It's all 100% screwed down. It was a lot of work. And you can see, we got stuff coming in right there and right there. Let's give you the 38-cent tour. Stick around. Hey kids. A lot has happened since we last talked. We got to go over to the new building and show you what's going on because lots happening. Right here. Honest page. Yep. You know. You might say to yourself, Chad, what are you talking about? You're always saying stuff is happening. Well, yeah, I got the floor completely done. It's all 100% screwed down. It was a lot of work. And you can see, we got stuff coming in right there and right there. This is going to be, basically I'm just hauling stuff in. And there's gonna be no rhyme or reason to it other than it's just coming in here because we need to do that. I started decorating a little bit too. Bowling Brothers. That's benchmark abrasive. I'm not gonna waste time going back and forth and you can watch that garbage. I'm just gonna start hauling stuff in, show you what we got. There'll be no rhyme or reason to it though. Yeah. All right, it's been a couple minutes. And we brought, ooh, yeah, that stuff in. What's in there? I don't know, but we're gonna go through it right here on the channel. And if there's stuff I don't need, I'm gonna be telling you about it. And if you need it, you can email me. We'll make a deal and we'll get it shipped out to you. Because I know there's stuff in there that I'll never touch again. I already looked in one of them and I was like, I don't need that. So, and Lord knows what's all in these. Could be hot rod parts, could be a gopher. We don't know. I don't know. Stop. Knock it off. All right. I got it. I got stuff in here anyway. I don't have it. As Rat Rod Bob says, you getting it? You just ain't got it yet? Yep. It's all the way down. See that? Oh, let's not forget. We gotta do some of that. Got a T-frame, got a T-body. I mean, the math says you gotta do something with it. Okay, now, this looks like a big pile. Because this goes all the way to there. It's like 20 feet. Something like that. But let's not forget I got shelves coming in here too. And there's gonna be stuff that's not staying. You know, like all this plywood here. I might put it up on the wall so I can mount stuff to the wall. Something. Does that make sense? Yeah. All right. Anyway. Toolbox. Peyton's not using it, so we commandeered it. You got a workbench, a welding table. Oh, you got a welder under somewhere too. Check it out. See? Right there. Little titanium guy. And we got welding gloves and an apron and stuff. We got it all. We're going to be going through this over the next, hey, over the next however long, because I got to get this done. Because I got to get it done. That's it. Stop. All right. Anyway, we're going to put this away. Bent the trailer. As I was driving, the stand came down, caught, bent. Now I got to fix that. We'll put that on the channel too, since I'm not smart and did that. Yep. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed what we watched so far. You know what? After this, I'm going to do a little something just fun. It happened the other day. I never did anything with it. So we're going to do it right now. And then we'll pick this up. See you next time. I just went to Harbor Freight. I had to get that. Of course I had to take this. All right. That's enough. You gotta get down to get in. Then you gotta get up to get out. That's all I'm saying. Hopefully old arthritis holds out. No ibuprofen today, so it's bad. Oh, look. Super Sport. I don't know what that means, but something. All right, I gotta go get milk and some other things. So, as well take this. Well, I don't have anything to take. That was stupid. All right. All right, boys and girls. We're back at that. We're almost cleared out. I'm gonna leave this one in here for this shed. I still gotta get that crap, some of that stuff down there, but not that bad. We're gonna have to haul some of this stuff separately, see what we need, what we don't. There's just a few things, and then we're gonna get over to 616. We're gonna start putting things together. We're gonna take this. Yeah, it's gonna go to the shop, main shop, the shop stuff. Oh, I got it. Oh, look at that. Okay, when I get over there, we'll show you. It's hot today, mainly because I'm wearing black. That's fine. I got the trailer back here. I got this little, you know, pick up pine cones, pine needles and stuff, rake. It's pretty cool, I think. We'll try it out, of course. And I've got some equipment parked back here. Yeah, my equipment, my mower, my four-wheeler. And we're loaded up. We got slow poke. Yeah, that's real. And then we've got this mostly cleaned out. There are some things that are garbage. There's some metal there, but we can start utilizing this for what its purpose is. I got to get, and some of this stuff's gonna get hauled away, so it doesn't really matter. And then take that over to 616, which is that way, right? Like right through there. And then start unloading, start getting stuff put up. Time to change out the black shirt though. Oh, gotta get my keys to the Tacoma. All right, anyway, meet you over there. Hang up. We're in here. Told you. Okay, so we've got this open because that shelf right there is gonna go here, and then we're gonna start putting some of this stuff up. We're just gonna start putting stuff on it. We'll go through it after, probably. Anyway, because I gotta make sense of that. This right there, and this mess. That too. So that's the plan. I'm gonna get the shelves in here, and I'm gonna start putting those up. And I'm gonna start putting totes on it, and I'll show you what happens after. Oh, green carts in here. You got a welder and stuff, more stuff. Flies on the elbow. Tool started mess. I love it. All right. No jacking around. I got some stuff done. What, you say? Well, doesn't look like much, but I did. Now, you're probably saying, well, why are you even bothering to do it the way you're doing it? Because I'm doing it this way. Sorry, yellow. That's there. 4-foot workbench. Tools. Welding cart. Tool cart. Why is it like that? Because, let's face it, there's going to be a car here in the middle, and there's going to be a car there at some point. 1, 2. Bow. But there will always be one right here. So I need to have tools. I need to have a workbench in case I need to pound the crap out of something. Tool cart to move stuff around. A workbench to sit at and question my life choices. And of course, parts. So we're getting there. Yep. Now, where do we put the lounge? Well, I don't think we're too far off. It's gonna go right in that corner there. All right, keep working. All right, kids. I'm gonna call it for the day because we got a whole bunch of stuff in here and we did a bunch of cool stuff. Not really, but that's all part of setting up a new building, right? Right. So I'll give you a little flippity flip, and then I'm just gonna show you how we got some stuff set up and tell you what the next plans are. All right, we got the Roadster there. Tool cart, welding table, toolbox, workbench right by the window. Got those shelves up. Got all the totes from over there. We got Tireville over here. And we got this stuff right here. We're gonna get another shelf or two and probably put one there, maybe over there. All right, that's what I worked on today. And then one of the last things I have to do is build a ramp. And I'll put that towards the end of the video. Not going to show any more of the putting things away. I'll just show you kind of when things get done. And then I'll build the ramp, and then we'll give you a tour of everything. The old parts depot is pretty much empty. There's some garbage to clean up and some stuff to get rid of, and a few things to bring over here. And once things get moving along, we got some stuff to get out of the shop in here too, but we're gonna leave it until we get the shelves up, because that stuff. All right, kids, see you next time. Hey, I forgot to do these before. Thanks. Okay. Midnight Custom sent us something, and if you're not, that's because I'm the employee of the month. Just saying. And a couple of stickers. Now, you can tell we need to put them up. And then Glenn from 1776 Garage hooked this up too when we saw him at the car show. Yeah, okay, good. Uh-oh. Boom, check them out. Down thing, both of them. We're gonna just find a good home for them over here. And we gotta get back to work here soon though. It's, I gotta get some shelves. Then we gotta get some hot rods done. Maybe I should take Clyde for a drive. Well, anyway, see you next time. What's happening? All right, not done with the building, but it's to the point where we need to at least show you around, and it's pretty much ready to go. We got a few things to put away, and let's give you the 38-cent tour. Stick around. Oh, that's good. Berry whips. All right. So we've got our tires right here. We have a few left in the shop. Sawdust on mine. Got the lounge, right? We got a window, and then we put an exhaust fan way up there. You want to see it? Right up there. Okay. Takes the heat out. We got our shelving. Now we're going to be going through all those, like I told you. Workspace, tools, welding table, and a cart. We got the Model T over there. We got the Model T frame. We're going to take care of that window. Hey, look, slowpoke. And we've got a few things here. I've got another shelf that I can grab from the old parts depot. And then I picked this one up today. And I've got a lot of it up here. Now, up here, this is a lot of the tools that I don't use very often. There's a welder. But a lot of the tools I don't use very often. And when I need one, I can just come out here and grab it, instead of taking up room in the shop. This shelf has a lot of stuff that's not gonna continue to live there probably, but for today. And then I got some of these bins again. So I'm just starting to put, like, there's carburetor, intake, and a carburetor and an intake. Make sense? Got some exhaust going on in there. And then we got our woodworking tools down here. The table saw, miter saw, a chop saw, and then right over there is the miter saw. What's this? That's a welder. Okay, we did that. Yes, I took the down because I kept hitting my head. I will be putting it back up, promise. Probably somewhere over here. Oh, that's right, tire bill. That's what we call that. Anyway, kids, we got a few things to take care of. The Model T frame, I gotta get my brackets, so we gotta figure out where we're gonna put it. I'm guessing it's gonna go over there because it's where it's gonna go. Or I'll just maybe stand it up over there. Anyway, it's probably too tall. That doesn't matter. So building 616 has a few things to do. We have a few things to do, but it's usable now. The ramp, I'm gonna start on that, and I'm not going to bore you with how I built it, stuff, how I built it and stuff. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, whatever we've been doing out here and getting the new building ready. And we should probably put a car right about here at some point, don't you think? Right there. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this. I said that. All right, we'll just shut her down here. Don't forget to do the and yeah, yeah. I want to watch more of this because it's fun. Share it with your friends and stuff. Oh, don't forget, we're gonna be going through those bins in another video. So till next time, kids, keep on wrenching.